In this video, I am going to share with you how to make rose petal lip balm at home very easily. To make this lip balm, take little amount of Vaseline. Take 1 spoon of shea butter. If you do not have shea butter at home, use coconut oil. Take 1 spoon of rose petal powder. In one of my previous video, I have shown how to make rose petal powder at home. You can find the link of the video in the description box below. Add 1 spoon of honey. To this, add 1 vitamin E capsule. For heating the mixture, you should always heat the mixture using the double boiler method or the indirect heat method in slow flame. Transfer the lip balm mixture in a small glass container. Refrigerate it for a few hours. Now you can use the lip balm. I hope you find this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It will mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching this video.